So we're all in pins and needles right now, waiting to hear if President Trump is going to talk about a Bitcoin reserve. So far, he hasn't said out and out that much. Let me pull up this article that we do have. He's talked about executive order to create national digital asset stockpile. Again, it doesn't go to Bitcoin exclusively. That means it could be a lot of different things. There's speculation that he would use as meme coin, which wouldn't be very smart because meme coins are way too volatile. It's going to be with a much stronger base of cryptos. He would need to be combination of Bitcoin, some stable coin, as well as maybe Solana, Ethereum, XRP, and perhaps some others that are pretty strong ones that would be more stable than anything outside the top 10, call it. So that's what we're waiting for right now. We'll see. The crypto people are a little impatient when you hear him specifically talk about this, and he may or may not get into it in the next couple of days. He's doing executive orders left and right. But by him not doing this, this is what we get, a red day. Right? We have XCN, this only thing really up big, AMP a little bit, and some other smaller things. Everything else is pretty far down, anywhere from 2 to 20, 30, 40%, depending on what kind of coin it is. So that's what you get when you don't talk about Bitcoin Reserve here. Let's actually show you a little bit of what's happened today. So when rumors came out, Bitcoin shot up to around 106,754, you see here. Then it didn't say anything specifically, so it kind of bounced, went down, up and down, maybe more rumors here, right back down because nothing announced. So here's bouncing back up. So it's fine in its own. It is heading, hopefully, right now on its way to somewhere between 120 and 125. But if it does have a big check back, that 80 some thousand is still on the table. It did get down to 89 a week or so ago, but it's still on the table for it to go even lower here, a bigger correction. But I believe we're most likely heading upward right now. But some of the alts have taken a hit here. You see Theta actually briefly went below $2 today. Now it's rebounding here a little bit. XRP has been pretty stable. Let's take a look here. It's been pretty stable. Got bounced up and down a little bit. Nothing huge. Most alts are just waiting for Bitcoin, and Bitcoin's waiting for President Trump to announce a Bitcoin strategic reserve. So that is pretty much what's going on here. But let's talk about something that's even more important. Okay, so forget about just a national Bitcoin strategic reserve. Look at all the states here. Michael Saylor posted this that are looking to institute a Bitcoin reserve themselves. Pennsylvania was the first one, but we've got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We've got 12 states right now that want to do the same thing, have a Bitcoin reserve. So we don't necessarily need just the entire country. Obviously, it gives more. The federal government's a lot bigger than the states, but we got some pretty big states here looking to do the Bitcoin as in reserves, starting with Texas and Florida. You have a bit of money that they would have to invest here. So a lot of businesses also are investing. See, there's news on a real estate one. Let's take a look at that here. And that is real estate firm Fathom can now add Bitcoin to its balance sheet. Not talking huge amounts, but they are talking 500,000 towards it at first. And that'll be the first of many, many, many more companies like Michael Saylor's company that obviously is mostly just a Bitcoin company. It just keeps acquiring more and more Bitcoin. We're going to see more of this happening. Let's see what Polymarket has. So Polymarket still think there's a 64% chance of Bitcoin being the reserve here for the US. So the betting market is still on that side. We'll see what goes on here, what actually happens. But I think that's the direction we're heading. He's just got a lot of other executive orders he's doing at a priority right now over that. He's already got a committee of crypto people, crypto czar. He's got all kinds of things going on. So I think we just have to be a little bit more patient and the patience will be rewarded. And want to also let you know that, as once things correct and go back up here, just to remind you, you need to take profits on your cryptos as the market goes up. Have your sell points set and be ready to pull the trigger and sell and take profits. You want to be able to pull money off the table. If you're happy with just doubling it, great. If you're looking for a triple, quadruple, just set up your sell points, know where you want to be, and be able to exit. And remember, if it doesn't get to your sell point, it's coming back down, don't be afraid to just take those profits anyway and take the money off the table. At least take your initial money that you put in there and then just play with house money at that point. But remember to take your profits. All right, guys. Hopefully you got something out of this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, click the like button, and I'll catch you in the next video.